Hey, what's up guys? In this video I will show you the remaining operators which was not told in the previous video. So let's start. And the next operators in our list are comparison operators. Comparison operators are most important operators that are used to compare two values. So let me show you the practical working of comparison operator. I take here two variables a and b and I assign the value 5 to both variables. Now I use the double equal to variable which is shown here. So I minimize it and I check if a variable is equal to b, then in the if statement I will show you that what to do, that echo these two variables are equal, and in the else part I will write echo these two variables are not equal. Press Ctrl S, save, open your browser, and in your browser type here localhost and cubic sol. So first of all you have to do open your control panel of your XAMPP and start Apache and MySQL and minimize it from here, and you can see that it shows us answer these two variables are equal. Now I will show you the working of identical operator, which sign is triple equal to. So I used here triple equal to and press Ctrl S, save, and when I refresh our browser you can see that this answer is same. What? Now the identical operators check the values as well as its data type. Like if I type double quotations here, now these values are same but data types is different. The upper variable, I means a variable, has data type integer because it's type without string. Value stored in the b, that is string value. So these values are same but these data types are different. So it will shows us that these two variables are not equal. It means that identical operators check the values as well as data types of the variable. So Ctrl S, save, and refresh your browser. You will see that these two variables are not equal. So I hope that you will understand between equal to operator and identical operator. Next we have a less than operator. What less than operator does? Now I remove here 4. And now it checks whether value of a is less than b, like it checks whether 5 is less than 4. If it is true, then it will print this statement, and if it is false, then it will print this statement. I have changed the statements between echo. Now if the value of a is less than b, it will show that a variable is smaller than b. But if this condition is false, then it will show that a variable is greater than b. Now a value has 5 and b value has 4. It means that a is greater than b. It means that a variable is greater than b will be print. I press Ctrl S, and when I save our browser, then it shows a variable is greater than b. Now I will type here greater than sign. So now it checks if a variable is greater than b, then it shows that a variable, this I will change here the values. It shows that a variable is greater than, and here I will change the values smaller. Now it checks that if a variable is greater than b, it shows us this echo message, and if it is less than b, then it will show that us this echo message. I press Ctrl S, save, and you can see that output is first one, a variable is greater than b, which is this one. So I hope that you will understand the less than and greater than operator. Next we have not equal to. Not equal to returns us true if the value of a is not equal to b. Yes, I have changed the value string inside the echo. Now it checks if the value of a is not equal to b, then it shows that these variables are not equal, and if it is false, it means that if the value of a is 5 and if the value of b is also 5, it will show that this echo message. I will press Ctrl S, save and refresh our browser. Then you can see that these variables are not equal. Now I have changed the values of variables. I changed the value of b to 5. I press Ctrl S, save and open my browser, and when I refresh, then it shows that these variables are equal. And I hope that you will must understand these operators in PHP. So I have dealt two another operators. One of them is less than and second is greater than. Now what is less than equal to operator? Less than equal to operator returns true if the value of a is less than or equal to. In both conditions, it returns us true and execute this string statement. And otherwise, if these value is greater than a, then it will shows us this message that the b variable is greater than a. So it means that it checks whether the value of a is less than or equal to. In both situations, it shows us this message that a is less than or equal to b. Now it is equal to. I press Ctrl S, save, and I will show see the output that it shows that the a is less than or equal to b, which is true. Now I have to change the value of b to 10. Press Ctrl S, save and refresh our browser. You can see that the a is less than or greater than sorry, I forgot to refresh it. Press Ctrl S, save, and when I refresh our browser from here, we will see that now you can see that b variable is greater than a. I hope you will must understand these operators in PHP, and if you have any question, you can WhatsApp us and ask us in the comment section. We will be try to answer your comments, and share this video with your those friends who want to learn PHP from 0 to advanced level, and subscribe to our channel for latest programming updates. And finally, thanks for watching.